Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about parametric differentiation, parameters, parametric equations, and parametric form. So let us first understand what are parameters. Sometimes variables x and y are given as a function of a third variable t or theta. So it is given that sometimes the variables x and y can be expressed in terms of a third variable. Usually in parametric differentiation, we use the variable t or theta. For example, here we have given two equations. That is, the equation for x can be written in terms of t as 2 plus 4 cos t, where x is a dependent variable dependent on independent variable t, and the dependent variable y is written in terms of independent variable t, that is y is equal to 3 sin t. Now here we can see that x is written in terms of variable t and y is also written in terms of variable t. So in parametric equations or parametric differentiation, the variables apart from x and y, that is t and theta, are called as parameters. And these two equations which are written in terms of t or theta are called as parametric equations. So in general, a relation expressed between the two variables x and y in the form x is equal to f of t. In this case, for this example, f of t is 2 plus 4 cos t, and y is also expressed in terms of t, that is g of t. In this example, g of t is 3 sin t. So this form is called as parametric form with t as the parameter. So t and theta are called as parameters. The equations of x and y in terms of t or theta or any other variable are called as parametric equations, and if we are writing x and y in terms of any other variable, we call that form as parametric form. So in order to find derivative of such functions, that is dy by dx, we have to use the chain rule. So let us start with the equation of y, that is dy by dt. Since y is expressed in terms of parameter t, we are going to differentiate y with respect to t, giving us dy by dt is equal to, now dy by dt can be written as dy by dx times, now let us differentiate x with respect to t, that is dx by dt. So here we can see that if we cancel dx from the denominator and from the numerator, we again get dy by dt. So this is how we are going to use the chain rule. Or a simple format is, let us rearrange this equation. That is, we are going to make dy by dx as the subject, and we are going to take dx by dt on the other side of equal to sign, giving us dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So we are going to follow this format henceforth for the parametric differentiation. And to understand this procedure, I have used 3 examples. So let us start with the first one. X is equal to 3t cube plus 2t and y is equal to t square plus 2. Find dy by dx. So looking at the format of the equations, we can understand that these are parametric equations where x and y are expressed in terms of t. So we are going to use the formula dy by dx is equal to dy by dt over dx by dt. So using this formula, we are first going to differentiate y with respect to t. And to differentiate this, we are going to use the power rule of differentiation. I have explained the differentiation formulas in this video. I will also drop down the link in the description box below for your reference. So if you want to brush up the basics, you can go through it. So this is the power rule of differentiation. So using this formula, we are going to write dy by dt is equal to the differentiation of t square with respect to t gives us 2t plus the differentiation of a constant is 0. So dy by dt gives us 2t. Now let us differentiate x with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to, now this constant 3 stays as it is. Now using the power rule of differentiation for t cube, we get its differentiation as 3 times t square plus the differentiation of 2t with respect to t gives us 2 is equal to, now let us simplify this, 3 times 3 gives us 9 t square plus 2. Now once we have got dy by dt and dx by dt, we are going to plug it in this formula, giving us dy by dx is equal to 2t divided by 9t square plus 2. So this is going to be our answer, that is expressing dy by dx in terms of parameter t. The parametric equations of a curve are x is equal to 1 plus 3 sine square theta and y is equal to 4 tan theta. Find dy by dx in terms of the parameter theta. So let us begin by using the formula. Dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta over dx by d theta. So let us begin with the differentiation of y with respect to theta. So dy by d theta is equal to, now the constant 4 stays as it is, and the differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta. Now we have written sec square theta in terms of its reciprocal function, that is cos square theta. So dy by d theta will be equal to 4 over cos square theta. Now once we have got this, let us find out the differentiation of x with respect to theta. So dx by d theta is equal to, now the differentiation of the constant 1 is 0 and differentiation of 3 sine square theta. For this we have to use the power rule of differentiation followed by chain rule. So here we have kept this 3 constant as it is, and using the power rule of differentiation we have differentiated sine square theta and got it as 2 times sine theta, and then we are going to use the chain rule and differentiate sine theta with respect to theta, giving us cos theta. So this simplifies as 3 times 2 is 6 sine theta times cos theta. Now once we have got this, we are going to plug these two in this formula, giving us dy by dx is equal to, now in place of dy by d theta we have written 4 over cos square theta divided by, now in place of dx by d theta we have written 6 sine theta times cos theta. Now let us simplify this further. So we have written 4 over cos square theta. Now the division becomes multiplication and this flips upside down, giving us 1 over 6 sine theta times cos theta. Now 4 and 6 go in the table of 2, that is 2 times is 4 and 2 3 times is 6, giving us dy by dx is equal to 2 times 1 is 2 over 3 times sine theta times cos square theta times cos theta gives us cos cube theta. So this is going to be our answer. Now let us move on to the last question. X is equal to 3 ln of 2t plus 4 and y is equal to 5 times e to the power of t. Find dy by dx. So let us use the formula here. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So differentiating y with respect to t, we get the constant 5 stays the same and the differentiation of e to the power of t with respect to t gives us e to the power of t itself. So we get dy by dt as 5 e to the power of t. Now let us differentiate x with respect to t. So dx by dt is equal to, now we have written the constant same, that is 3 times. Now for the differentiation of ln function, we have used this formula, that is d by dx of ln ax plus b. Now in place of x you can replace t now. So this will be equal to 1 over ax plus b times a. So using this formula we get the differentiation of ln function with respect to t as 1 over 2t plus 4 times 2. Now 3 times 1 times 2 gives us 6 over 2t plus 4. Now in the next step we have factorized this denominator, that is we have taken 2 as a common factor out, giving us 6 over 2 times t plus 2. Now 2 divides 6, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 3 times is 6, giving us dx by dt is equal to 3 over t plus 2. Now once we have dy by dt and dx by dt, let us plug it in this formula, giving us dy by dx is equal to, in place of dy by dt we have written 5 times e to the power of t over dx by dt is 3 over t plus 2. Now in the next step we have simplified it a bit further. So we have written the numerator same, that is 5 times e to the power of t. Now division becomes multiplication and this fraction flips upside down, giving us t plus 2 over 3. So one final step, that is simplification. So we get dy by dx as 5 times e to the power of t times t plus 2 divided by 3. So this is going to be our answer. So this is how we perform the parametric differentiation, and I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples on differentiation and integration. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.